The Excel spreadsheet for hotel control is a very useful tool for controlling the finances and monthly expenses of any hotel. It is not only a spreadsheet of expenses, but a general management spreadsheet. If your company is small, but the need for organization is huge. Eventually, the structure is lean and resources are scarce. All efforts should be aimed at optimizing processes and reducing costs. In this Excel spreadsheet template, you will be able to do financial planning and compare the planned budget goals with those realized in the financial management of your hotel. Performing hospitality management can be a challenge for many managers because there is a lot of competition in this industry, and the best way to ensure customer satisfaction in all segments and ensure the return on services. Also, with the emergence of booking sites, negative review errors can occur and can affect the decisions of potential guests. All this just by relying on the internet, and in addition to everything else, there is the sharing of information, both digitally, where the spread is faster, and in person. With this spreadsheet you can have total control over the reservations made in your hotel or guest house. As mentioned in previous paragraphs, these are simple and arduous tasks, but they will already offer a better performance in the course of your decisions. However, managing tasks in order to conclude an optimized control without a management tool can be a fatal error, jeopardizing the alignment and solid structure of your business, as well as the financial health of your establishment. Following this line of reasoning, we created the spreadsheet for hotel and lodging control, having precise information and results, according to the necessary registration to be filled in. Besides providing and enabling a solid and aligned growth for your business among others, all this is affordable for a fair price. In the spreadsheet you can manage guests, reservations, map reservations, and cash flow. This was our Excel spreadsheet for hotel control. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.